Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to AirPlay on Roku TV. So make sure to watch this video till the end and you'll be able to do it. So before we move into the process, here are like few things that you must know, like is your Roku device compatible with the AirPlay or not. So if you want to check it, here is the complete list of the devices and the models. So make sure to pause the video and check your devices and their models, either it is compatible or not. And here is like the devices listed below must be running Roku OS 10.0, like this is the version that they must be running to connect with AirPlay. And if you talk about like the Apple device, either it is compatible or not, like all the iPhones, iPad or iPod with the minimum version of 12.3, they are compatible. And here is the like Mac version 10.14.5. so if your like device is upper than these versions, you'll be able to connect it. Now we move into the process, like how we can connect it. So first of all, just press the home button on your remote, like Roku remote, and once you press the home button, go to settings, systems, powers, and once you're in the power section, select fast TV smart or fast start. Like you'll find this option called fast TV smart or fast start. So just make sure to turn it on or enable it. And once you do that, just go to the your Apple device, like either it is iPhone or iPad or whatever it is. And in the control section, you will be able to find this option, like first of all, play the music or video or whatever you want to share. And then just go to the control panel and find this option called AirPlay. Like this is the icon of the AirPlay, which you will be able to easily find in the control section. If you're familiar with the iPhone, you'll be able to see this kind of section in the AirPlay video. And if you want to share the audio, so this will be the option in music and other audio apps. And once you turn on this option, so just select your Roku device and connect your AirPlay with it. So that is simple and easy process. Make sure to follow these both process, from the Roku TV and this in the Apple device, and after that you'll be able to AirPlay in the Roku TV. Simple and easy.